Good evening. Today we will cover equity market segment via Goodwill Wealth Management website. So starting with the equity performance, we can see the opening price of the equity was 16,474.95. The previous closing price was around 16,416.35. While talking about the highs and lows, the high of equity was around rupees 16,514.3 and the low was around 16,293.35. There were around 808 companies which closed on the positive aspects, while there were around 1,152 companies which closed on the negative side. Talking about the sectoral performance, we can see that today's top performer was Nifty Realty. Next to that was Nifty Media, followed by Nifty PSU Bank, Nifty IT, and at last it was Nifty Pharma. Talking about the underperforming indices, for the first we have Nifty FMCG, Nifty Infra, Nifty Consumption, followed by Nifty Consumers and Nifty Energy. Now if we want to have some broad outlook, then we can go for the global indices. For US we have Nasdaq at rupees 12,175.33. Now coming to stock market stats, the top gainers in today's market were Tata Steel, State Bank of India, Titan Companies, Dr. Reddy's, Bajaj Finserv and TCS. And over here we can see the latest traded price, the change in term of rupees, the change in term of percentage, the previous closing price and today's highs and lows. For example, here we have Tata Steel with the latest traded price of around 1086.75. The change in term of rupees was around 18.25. The change in term of percentage was around 1.71. The previous closing price of Tata Steel was around 1068.5, while today's high for Tata Steel was around 1088.9 and the low was around 1074.05. For the top losers, we have the following companies like Bharti Airtel, ITC, Reliance, UPL, Asian Paints and Axis Bank, and the columns are similar to what we have seen in the top gainers. Next we have the volume toppers. For the volume toppers, at first we have ONGC, then we have SBI, NTPC, ITC, Bharti Airtel and Coal India. Over here we can see the volume traded in terms of number of shares. For example, we have ONGC and there were around 45,994,327 number of equity shares traded in today's market. Similarly, we can see the number of trading shares for the other companies. Over here we have the value toppers. Next we can go for the yearly high and the yearly low, and these are basically the companies. LTP as in the latest traded price, and at the bottom we can basically see the latest news regarding the equity segments. Further, if we want to analyze some different market, then we can just click on the following options, like it can be commodities, derivatives, mutual funds or anything else. So for more information, you can contact us from the detail mentioned on the screen via WhatsApp, email or through a call. So thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, like and share the video. And that's all for today. Thank you.